Here's how you can make pancetta. I guess this is like the Italian version of bacon. And which part of the animal is this even from?
It's from the belly. It's abs he's been working out on. He has been doing a good job because there's lots of fat in it. So you put some curing salt, make it cured, make it go pink all the way through. Bay leaves, onion powder. You just gotta eyeball it. Black pepper, some sugar from Guyana. It's my mom's.
You half Guyanese and half what?
Half Guyanese, half Aboriginal, French Canadian. That kind of nice mixture. Everybody assumes I'm Arab. This is a vacuum sealer. Suck out all the air and all the juices, everything, all the spices are gonna go inside, get penetrated through the meat more easier, and I don't have to worry about it spoiling because there won't be any air for the bacteria to take. So we pop it in the cooler for 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, the flavor is all there. I just want to take off this extra stuff because this is the stuff that gets really moldy. Get your pancetta hook, pancetta it, and you just hang it up to dry for 4 to 6 weeks until you lose about 30–40% of the weight.
Just like anywhere?
I mean, somewhere where it's not wet, preferably. So this is after 4 weeks. He's gotten a little bit smaller.
What's that black stuff?
That's just, it's dried, so the meat becomes very dark and purpley. Let's see what's inside. This is my first time making this. Maybe the last time making it. Oh, it's not bad. A little cube. I'm not an authority on Italian law or anything like that. Bacon is like cured and smoked and cooked.
Ah, okay.
This is dry cured, so it's legally speaking raw. Yeah, interesting flavor.
It's a bit sweet.
It's sugar. I like it. It's like Brisola, but fattier.
Right, because it's beef, right? So it's not pork.
Not pork. 100% halal.
Do you prefer this or bacon?
Bacon.
Yeah, same.
Bacon, yeah.